फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर ओरायन यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी का हमारे ओरायन यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्वागत है। सो नाउ इन टुडेस लेक्चर आई विल शो यू द रियल टाइम application of if-else and if-elif-else. Fine. So with the help of real time examples, I will going to show you code for conditional flow statement. Okay, so see here, first of all we need to check whether a person is eligible to vote. फाइन, अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर में वोटिंग एलिजिबिलिटी चेक कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हमें देखना है अगर पर्सन की एज 18 से अबव है then and then only he or she can be able to vote. Fine. So let's see. Simply I am taking age as an input. Here age which is equal to int input, enter the age. Fine. Then simply I am applying a condition, that is if age is greater than or equal to 18, then print the message that he or she is eligible for voting. Understood? Okay. If the age is not above 18, then print remaining condition in else. But while we are writing the else statement, so at that time there is no need to give the condition. Fine, simply write else. Here I am printing not eligible, not eligible. Okay, so now I am going to run this. So let's see guys. First time it will take some time to execute the code. Fine. So see here, suppose my age is 55. Now yes, he or she is eligible for voting. And suppose my age is 5 years, then not eligible for voting. Understood? So in this way, using conditional flow statement, that is if else and if else, we solve this question. Now second question is number in range, that we have to check whether the number lie between 10 and 100. So simply take number as input. Enter the number. Fine. Now check here, if number is less than 100 and greater than 10. Fine. This is my condition. So print her message. Yes, given number lie between 10 and 100. Fine. Else print lie between 10 and 100. Simply run this. So we need to enter the number. Suppose I am entering here 100. So not lie between 10 and 100. Fine. Again run this. Right here 55. Check this. Yes, the number lie between 10 and 100. Fine. So in this way, here we check the number. now we have to check the greatest among three numbers find. So simply I am taking here now first find int is equal to input enter the number fine. Okay, now I am taking num2 as an input fine. Simply we have to copy this code for num2 fine, then num3 which is equal to enter number 1 is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, now check the condition. If now first is greater than or equal to num2 and num1 is greater than or equal to num3 fine, then print num1. Understood? And for second condition we are going to use elif num2 is greater than num1 greater than or equal to num1 and num2 is greater than or equal to num3 fine. So print simply here num2 fine, and remaining condition comes under the else part. So simply print here print num3, that's it. So execute this code, enter the first number that is 5, second number is 6, third number is 8. So see here 8 is the largest among the three number. Again run the ATM withdrawal system. So see here, first of all take the balance which is suppose 80,000. Okay, now print the message welcome to the ATM fine, welcome to the ATM. Okay, so after that take amount as input which we need to withdraw, int input enter the amount find, check here if amount is less than equal to 0 then print invalid amount. Okay, elif AMOUNT elif amount is greater than balance. If amount is greater than balance, then give the message that you have insufficient fund. Fine, print the message that is insufficient fund. Okay, else do remaining task that is balance which is equal to balance minus amount fine, BALANCE fine, balance equal to balance minus amount, then print your message that withdraw successfully. Fine, now also print the message that collect your cash, collect your cash. okay, PALANCE. So run this, enter the amount. Suppose I need to withdraw 60,000. Withdraw successfully and remaining amount is 20,000. Fine. Yes. So in this way you are successfully create a ATM withdrawal system using conditional flow statement. Okay. Thank you friends. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.